This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A strong thunderstorm will impact northern Huron and Erie counties through 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Bellevue, or 12 miles west of Norwalk, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and half-inch hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Bellevue, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Castalia, Monroeville, Berlin Heights, Bloomingville, Sandusky South, Birmingham, and Fairview Lanes. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. This storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service.